Low asleep on the keyboard. Lolo's dreaming of sugar, rainbows, and all that. Even his snoring sounds like him. Oh God. It's like he's calling the devil or something. Lolo's dreaming of leprechauns and everything green. What's his name? Oh, I can't forgot his name. So Sue off. Uh, Aw. Too bad his dad was asleep. He could have heard this. Wow, he must be really tired. His computer's probably gonna overheat. He has it on his bed. That's not good. Wow, that was a loud one. It's like he's coughing up something. His snoring sounds like him, like his voice. Huh? How? You know, my brother recorded me snoring like that once. Yeah, and, like they heard something really loud, and they went into the room and they found me just asleep. Yeah. It would be fun if he was talking. Yeah. Lolo. Lola. I don't think I'm ever. Oh, I could ever be so tired as to fall asleep in front of the computer. Well, yeah, I have, but in a conversation. He should really warn us before he goes to sleep. Huh? Oh, yeah. It's freaking hot here.